Exploring open source. Through the lens of Deepseek, a revolutionary AI model introduction, open source is a transformative concept in technology, emphasizing free access to software's source code and encouraging global collaboration. This approach allows developers to study, modify, and improve software freely, fostering innovation, transparency, and inclusivity. In fields like artificial intelligence, AI, where proprietary systems have long dominated, open source is redefining how cutting-edge technology is developed and shared. Deepseek, a Chinese AI startup, exemplifies the potential of open source principles. By releasing its flagship large language model, LLM, Deepseek R1 under the permissive MIT license, the company has provided a powerful alternative to proprietary AI systems like OpenAI's GPT. This essay explores the concept of open source, using Deepseek as an example, delving into its advantages, disadvantages, and the future challenges it faces in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. What is open source? Open source refers to a development model in which the source code of a software program is made publicly available. This means anyone can access, modify, and distribute the software, whether for personal, educational, or commercial purposes. Several key principles define open source. Transparency. Open source emphasizes visibility, allowing users to scrutinize the software's inner workings. Collaboration. Developers, researchers, and enthusiasts from around the world can contribute to the project, driving collective innovation. Freedom. Open source projects empower users to customize software to suit their needs without being constrained by licensing restrictions. The open source movement emerged in the 1980s with initiatives like the Free Software Foundation, FSF, and the GNU Project, which sought to counter the rise of proprietary software. Over time, projects like Linux and Mozilla Firefox proved the viability of this collaborative approach, offering high-quality alternatives to commercial software. In the field of artificial intelligence, open source has gained significant traction. AI research, once the domain of well-funded corporations, is now being democratized through open source projects, enabling broader access to advanced tools. Deepseek is a prime example of this trend. By embracing open source principles, it has made state-of-the-art AI accessible to developers worldwide, fostering a culture of collaboration and transparency in an industry often defined by secrecy. Deepseek R1 is a large language model designed to rival proprietary systems in performance and efficiency. Released under an MIT license, the model allows users to deploy it locally, modify its architecture, and use it for commercial purposes, all without costly licensing fees. This approach aligns perfectly with the open source philosophy, positioning Deepseek as a disruptor in the AI landscape. Advantages and disadvantages of open source. Advantages. Open source models like Deepseek offer numerous benefits that have made them increasingly popular across industries. Accessibility and inclusivity. Open source AI eliminates financial barriers, allowing smaller organizations, startups, and individual developers to access cutting-edge technology. Deepseek's MIT license ensures that its model is available to anyone, leveling the playing field and democratizing access to advanced AI tools. Community-driven innovation. Open source projects thrive on contributions from a global community of developers and researchers. In Deepseek's case, this collaborative approach has led to rapid advancements. Users can address issues, improve performance, and add features, ensuring the model remains competitive and adaptable. Transparency and trust. By exposing their source code, open source projects foster trust among users. Transparency allows the community to scrutinize the software, identify potential biases, and ensure ethical practices. This is particularly valuable in AI, where concerns about hidden biases and opaque algorithms are common. Cost-effectiveness. Open source models eliminate the need for expensive licensing fees, making them a cost-effective alternative to proprietary systems. Deepseek's approach allows organizations to redirect resources toward innovation, research, and application development. Customization and flexibility. Open source tools can be tailored to meet specific needs. Developers can modify Deepseek R1 to suit their unique requirements, enabling a wide range of applications across industries. Disadvantages. Despite its benefits, open source is not without challenges. Projects like Deepseek highlight some of the key drawbacks of this approach. Security vulnerabilities. Open source software is more susceptible to exploitation by malicious actors, as its code is publicly available. Deepseek experienced a cyber attack shortly after its launch, raising concerns about the security of open source AI models. Quality control. Open source projects often rely on contributions from a decentralized community, leading to inconsistencies in quality. Ensuring that all contributions meet high standards is a significant challenge for projects like Deepseek as they grow and evolve. Lack of dedicated support. Unlike proprietary systems, open source projects may lack dedicated customer support. Users of Deepseek must rely on community forums and documentation, which may not always provide timely or comprehensive assistance. Commercialization versus openness. Balancing open source principles with the need for revenue generation can be difficult. While Deepseek operates under an open source license, it must also sustain its operations financially, which may require adopting hybrid models or monetization strategies. Fragmentation. The decentralized nature of open source projects can lead to fragmentation, with multiple versions of the software emerging. This can create compatibility issues and hinder the development of a unified ecosystem. Future challenges of open source. AIAs. Open source AI continues to grow in popularity. It faces several challenges that could shape its future. Deepseek provides valuable insights into these challenges and the steps needed to overcome them. Maintaining security in a collaborative environment. The open nature of open source projects makes them inherently more vulnerable to security risks. Cybersecurity will remain a critical concern for projects like Deepseek, requiring robust vetting processes, regular updates, and community vigilance to mitigate potential threats. Ensuring ethical AI development transparency is a key strength of open source, but it also brings ethical challenges. For instance, the accessibility of AI models like Deepseek could lead to misuse, such as generating harmful content or spreading misinformation. Establishing ethical guidelines and safeguards will be crucial to addressing these risks. Balancing. Commercial viability with openness. Sustaining an open source project financially is a delicate balancing act. Deepseek must find ways to generate revenue, such as offering premium support or additional features, without compromising its commitment to openness. Striking this balance will be essential for the long-term success of open source AI. Competing. With proprietary systems, open source projects must continually innovate to remain competitive with proprietary systems backed by significant resources. Deepseek's reliance on community contributions is both a strength and a limitation. Maintaining its edge will require ongoing investment in research and development. Building a global ecosystem. The decentralized nature of open source can lead to fragmentation, making it difficult to build a cohesive ecosystem. Deepseek and similar projects must work toward creating unified standards and fostering collaboration across the global developer community to maximize their impact. Conclusion. Open source represents a powerful paradigm shift in technology, offering a more inclusive, transparent, and collaborative approach to software development. Deepseek's emergence as a leading open source AI model exemplifies the potential of this philosophy, demonstrating how advanced technology can be made accessible to all while driving innovation and fostering trust. However, open source AI is not without its challenges. Projects like Deepseek must navigate security risks, quality control issues, ethical concerns, and the tension between openness and commercialization. Addressing these challenges will be crucial to ensuring the long-term viability of open source initiatives. As the AI industry continues to evolve, the principles of open source will play an increasingly important role in shaping its future. By embracing collaboration, transparency, and inclusivity, projects like Deepseek are not only redefining what AI can do, but also setting the stage for a more equitable and innovative technological landscape.